What's the difference between sheet and plank vinyl flooring in Toronto?
Hello, I'm here to talk with you today about some of the key differences between types of vinyl flooring. Planning a home renovation is an exciting time with so much to consider, especially when it comes to flooring. Many homeowners and interior designers now select vinyl as the flooring of choice for their home renovation projects. When choosing flooring for your home, you may have heard of vinyl sheets and vinyl planks and be wondering what the difference is. Well, today we will clear that up for you. Vinyl sheets are made with a mixture of PVC, fiberglass, foam gel, and urethane. Due to its makeup, the sheets tend to be highly stable and durable, but still soft enough that they are comfortable for the feet. Vinyl sheets are lightweight and easy to install. People usually choose to glue them down or simply lay them loosely over the subfloor. Vinyl planks are quite similar to vinyl sheets, but are harder and stiffer. Planks are also a popular choice amongst designers and homeowners that enjoy do-it-yourself projects around the home. Both vinyl sheets and planks are made from virgin vinyl and 100% waterproof, making them a great choice for busy households with pets and young children. However, the similarities between the two types of flooring end there. Despite being made of the same material, vinyl sheets and vinyl planks have fundamental differences that can ultimately convince you to choose one over the other. For example, vinyl sheets are sold as large rolls, so it is installed as one large sheet that covers the entire space. Once installed, there are usually no visible seams. On the other hand, vinyl planks come in a similar style to laminate flooring, where each plank is installed individually to create an appearance similar to natural wood. At Chestnut Flooring, we understand that deciding which is the best for you can be a tough choice. By entering our showroom, you will see all the available options in person and discuss your needs with an expert to get the ball rolling for your next home renovation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful flooring videos.